Guys, that was my first video of 2019 themed on winter. I wish you all a very happy new year. Stay happy, stay healthy, keep the people around you happy, and also make the most out of this new year. Having said all that, please like, comment and share this video, and also please subscribe to my channel. Also, there is a giveaway going on in my Instagram, so you can check out my Instagram handle from this image, or you can check the link out from the description. Please to participate in it. There are some awesome stuff for nail art and lipstick lovers in that giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week again. Bye bye.